We are here at Villa del Palmar in Cancun, and this is one of 3 options when you are working with the Garza Blanca team. There are different options as far as price points, categories. So this location here, Villa del Palmar, you do not have access to Garza Blanca, but guests who are staying at Garza Blanca do have access to come dine at all of the restaurants. But what I love about this resort is that for brides getting married at Garza Blanca, you can rent this space and have it used. Is that right?
Yes, you can rent it for the day and use it as a getting ready suite. Or even for big families, this is a great option because of the price, and also remember you have the 3 separate rooms where you can have privacy for each family member.
Wonderful. So I'm going to take a quick tour here. So again, when we do groups, there are options where you can choose to have, so let's say you're having your wedding at Garza Blanca. This is a great big space here. And this has been recently renovated in the past year. So they've done a nice job updating a lot of these room categories. Everything's renovated, feels a little more fresh. I was here 3 years ago, so this is the first time I'm seeing it with the refreshed rooms. Look at that beautiful view. So back to groups. Most people are getting married at Garza Blanca. That is the family-friendly resort, and people love it. It's very popular. They have locations in Cabo and Puerto Vallarta. So people getting married at Garza Blanca, you can do your room block where you have some guests that maybe can't afford the price point of staying over at Garza Blanca. They can stay here and come to your wedding events only. So they cannot go dine at Garza, they cannot use the pools there, but they can come over for your wedding events. And then, so this would be the lowest price point hotel that your guests could choose from. Then you have Garza Blanca, and then we're going to see in just a bit Hotel Musai, which is at a higher price point, but it is adult only, and you can get the all-inclusive option there. So again, this is a beautiful, beautiful option for brides getting married at Garza. You can work with the wedding planner and have this rented for the day as your getting ready room. So because they don't have a getting ready room over at Garza. So this is a great option. There'll be a rental fee, but you'll just work with your wedding planner on that. And look at that view. Absolutely beautiful.